Your cloud storage is a goldmine of data, housing massive files and complex data sets that drive your business forward. But today, that data sits out of reach. Your team loses hours to access bottlenecks and download delays just to start working. That changes now. Introducing LucidLink Connect. Turn the data already in your S3 into an active, streamable workspace instantly without moving your data. These files, marked by the purple icon, remain native in their original S3 bucket while appearing in your file space for easy collaboration. You can browse and stream them on desktop, web, and mobile, and open them in your favorite tools without moving a single byte. Since they are streamable, you only pull the data you need. No more waiting for full downloads or wasting local disk space. Whether you're reviewing production dailies, inspecting 3D models, or sampling S3 datasets for AI, LucidLink Connect gives you immediate access to data and object storage without moving it first. The LucidLink Connect API allows you to programmatically link existing assets into your workflows. By integrating with your existing systems, data in S3 can appear in your file space without migration. It's the best of both worlds. Your S3 bucket and existing workflows remain in place and unchanged, while your team gets the speed they need to work faster. Stop moving data, start using it. LucidLink Connect.